Okay, wait.
All right, so while Nabol wrestles with Nico, I'm just gonna say that if I don't get to go to Antico Vinayo, that's the name?
Antico Vinayo.
I'm just happy I came here.
It's been all over social. Apparently, the sandwiches from Antico Vinayo are the thing to have these days. If you happen to be in Florence, that is. Or if you happen to be in New York. These sandwiches are called schiacciata, a savory sandwich made with pizza dough and every filling under the sun. We were curious to know if we could find these in Chicago. Around here, paninis are more commonly known. But then, we found Massa Café Italiano. And oh boy, are they great. It's down in the burbs, but they definitely had what we were looking for and lots more. We went last weekend and already want to go back. It's quite the hike from Rogers Park. This is in Elmwood Park, which we learned has a very large Italian population. And interestingly enough, it's on the same street as Johnny's. If you know, you know.
Alright, so now we're going to Massa Café Italiano. You know those sandwiches that you guys have been seeing on TikTok, like Antico Vinayo? So they have something similar here. We're gonna go try it out. We're gonna have a mortadella sandwich. I'm really excited for it.
Nico needs a little bit of it.
That's a big crisp sauce.
He's gonna cut you a piece, buddy. That looks really hot. Just like Napoli.
Oh, this smells wonderful. Cheese bowl.
Wait, because it's hot, Nico. Can you say pizza? Pizza.
One eternity later.
One bite. Yeah, good. He approves.
Definitely want to try it. So the panzerotti clásico. It's a sauce. It's really good sauce. But the sauce and the crispy outside. They do give you an option of ordering it baked or fried. I opted for fried. And it was a great choice. Those flavors. Yeah, it's a sauce. As Chef John from foodwishes.com would say, work don't lie. Just looks.
It's very super crunchy, super thin, and then I have to get mortadella, so. And I think inside is pistachio cream. This might be one of the best sandwiches I've tried. No kidding, yeah.
There we go. So I like deli meats, and one of my favorites is mortadella. Or mortadella. And so I'm excited to try this. Oh, yeah. And like the bread and the cream and everything is just, it goes so well together. Just listen to the crunch. And it doesn't feel heavy, like it's kind of like a heavy feeling, like, you know how you'll have sandwiches and it's not like a really dense sandwich? It's not like that.
We'll let you have this one, okay?
Get the one from the bottom.
Yeah.
I prefer the other one over Cookie Monster. You want that?
Come on.
So yeah, so that was a look at Massa Café Italiano. It's really good. Like, I was very surprised at how delicious the panzerotti was. Like, I mean, I knew calzones were good, but
having them fried like that, oh my goodness, that was really good. And the sandwich, like, it was amazing. So definitely go there, like if you're around that area. I think they call it like Restaurant Avenue, and there's like a parking lot where you can park. And there's different restaurants to enjoy, but we went to Masa, which was really good. So definitely stop by, try it out. Just eat one of those panzerotis and get a ladela. It's a great sandwich. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. If you're on the hunt for other Chicago food treasures, let us know in the comments down below. Take care, everybody.